is the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you into two groups. On the girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy! Sassy! How about the boys? All the boys, let's cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let's cheer for Rocky. Rocky! Rocky! So, trainers ready, birds ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky on the first ball, followed by Sassy, and second ball for Rocky. And for the last ball for Rocky, and the winner is Rocky! Trainer Vina, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, she won another race. Three. Second ring for Rocky, you're at the top. Sassy, up the three rings at the same time. What level is that? And the winner is Sassy. Trainer Jerry, what can you say about that? Three rings at the same time. Hey, you guys cheated. Oh, you think you cheated?
No, we didn't beat Sassy. Use her brain.
Oh, so it's true. Girls are more intelligent than boys. A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Vina and Trainer Jerry. And they are known as the gentle giant of the Paros family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaw. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 80 years old. Scientific name is Arachloroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river bank. And for the landing, there you go, intelligent, right? A round of applause. And we get on at number one. A round of applause for Rocky. How about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. And he gets on number 5. So our equation is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. A round of applause for Rocky with Taylor Baby. Buddy flies over. What you gotta do, buddy? And he gets the money. And I think Buddy just did the money. A round of applause for our donor. On your hand, just open your palm and look at the camera and smile. And there's your money. A round of applause for our donor and our monitored body. Homing pigeon has innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to nests and mates. A round of applause for our raptors and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not trying to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are in the land and there as well. Now guys, who knows that we are? What are those? We do reuse and recycle. So once again, let's call our lucky birds and they are going to show us the proper waste disposal. Everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope all of you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation and even extinction. Let us all do our part in saving the world. Because remember,